Started this up basically out of a garage. Same old story. And about a year after that, we outgrew the garage and got into a building, started adding some employees, grew out of that building, moved into another one, and then moved out here after about 10 years, bought our own building.
We work in retail, grocery, industrial, medical. Most of that up to this point has been in retail and grocery, but the other industries now are coming on strong.
We make OEM parts for a lot of different industries, the auto industry, all kinds of different stuff. So we get involved in a lot of things fabricating plastics. Once we signed up with Thomasnet, our traffic quadrupled. And it was obvious that when we put so many points on a state, we were getting a lot more calls from that state.
We do have quite a few local customers, but we do go national as well. They can get really specific with your advertising. They can get into the markets that you want. And with the customers that you're looking for, we'll be able to find you.
We've got a lot of calls, from different places like that otherwise we wouldn't have got.
Thomasnet actually became a driver of people to our website. It also helped improve our website. We work with them, and our website's a lot better for it.
The part that I really liked is it hits a specific customer base. It turns into more leads, it turns into better leads. Everyone searches online for what they want. If you're not online and you don't have a good presence, you're gonna be dead in the water in a number of years.
You used to be able to go out, do cold calls. It was the old dog and pony show. These days, and I really saw that because I had previous history in sales and marketing, and it's really changed in that you do need some additional help, such as Thomasnet provides.
It opened some doors that otherwise wouldn't be opened, that's for sure. I mean, you'd have to have a pretty large sales staff to be out there to even try to compete with that.
I've been able to track over 10 years the ROI, the return on investment that I do with them has been like a one-to-one correlation. It's been perfect. There's very few things after a career in sales marketing that you can say that.
A lot of the customers that we've gotten through Thomasnet, if you add them up over the years, the repeat customers, it's like, okay, we got X amount of new customers this year, but a lot of those customers stay and become repeat customers, and it just becomes a more and more valuable tool on the amount of business you would have missed out on if we weren't with Thomasnet. When the opportunity comes up, you don't want to miss it.
I don't think there's any question that Thomasnet has really been helpful for us gaining new business and getting into new industries.
If you want to take a shot at making your business successful and making more money, I'd give Thomasnet a shot.